Hey everyone. In this video I'm going to be planting some potatoes in some new plant bags. I've never used plant bags before and I've never grown potatoes in Florida, so all of this might not even work. I'm going to be putting most of the planter bags along this wall. I might put one or two bags in other spots to see how they do. This is a pretty good advantage of these bags, being able to move them around easily. I found the bags on eBay and they were fairly cheap compared to other planter bags. I got 10 of them because I had 10 potatoes budding. I wanted to get them planted. I was surprised to find out that the bags were really good quality, just like they said they would be. These are 5-gallon bags and there are 10 total. I found that 7 cubic feet or 7 bags of soil filled them up pretty much exactly. Bagged soil like this, I found works a lot better if you let it sit in the pots for a few weeks before planting. This allows all the microorganisms to develop and find their place in life. But my potatoes were already sprouting, so I'm just gonna plant them and see what happens. I'm gonna tighten these little straps down that came with these bags. They actually seem pretty useful for maybe retaining a little bit more water and keeping some of the weeds down in the bag. My taters were looking pretty dried out, so let's not forget to give them a good watering. If you would like to see more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.